Welcome back to Get Out the House, Go Fish. We're back in the inlet again. Today, I'm gonna be fishing some gulp. All right, here we go. So it is green on the bottom, red up top, but it's the nuclear chicken. There we go. Let's start throwing that out. Oh yeah, fish on. Oh man, that's a good one. That's a good blue. Oh, it came off. Doggone it. Came off. Took my shrimp. Whoo! Good size blue. Let's get another one on there. See if we can get hooked up with another one. Oh no! Right at the right at the damn kayak. Lost it right at the kayak. Looked like a nice little trout. Man, oh man. Right at the kayak. What a bummer. Man, oh man. I know I should have jumped in for it, right? This time, let's see if we can keep them on. Oh! Again, denied. Oh my gosh. That's the third one I've lost with this jig head. Third one. I'm about to change this guy out. Change out the jig head. Let's see if that helps my hookup ratio. Once again, not my day. Oh my gosh. That's number 4. Came off. Number 4. Come on this time. This time I got him. Got him in the boat that time. Oh, I'm just happy to get him in the boat. I'll tell you, today has been one of them days. Man, oh man. Let's try to keep him in the boat. 13. It's 13. Let's see this guy. 13. All right, buddy. Fish on, fish on. Let's see if I can keep it on. What is this? I don't know what the heck this is. It's a whiting? Red? Oh, it's a little red. Little dink red. How about that? Alright. We're at about 13. About 13. Little dink red. Check him out. Got 2 spots over there on this side. On this side, he's got 1. Right, buddy. Alright, I'll come talk to you when you get bigger. Let me ask you something. Y'all ever fish these upside down? Because they're all tore up top. I've never done that before. But you know what? It's worth a try to see if you can still fish it. Right? Why not give it a shot? I don't see why you couldn't fish it like that. We're gonna find out. Gulp shrimp fished upside down. Another one in the boat. All right, another trout, guys. Another trout in the boat. Whoo! Get him in the boat now. In the yak. Let's see how big this guy is. He's about 13. Ooh, they're all under today. But it's been a while since I was catching trout. What's up? Come here. All right, buddy. There he goes. All right, we got the, I found the Gulp 4-inch ripple mullet. We know those reds like those. And that's what I caught my first red on. So going with the Gulp ripple mullet. We'll see if y'all see the action of this guy. You just jerk it, slowly jerk it. See this action of this guy. See him in the water? I don't know if you can see him. That drives one fish crazy. See if you don't see it. Wow, it's the first time I ever caught one of these. Check this out. No, in the boat. In the boat. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see that? No, you don't. Come in here. There you go. There you go. Another dink. Ooh, he's got a lot of spots. All right. Ooh, look at all them spots on him. You see that? Lots of spots on him. See how big he is. I'm gonna measure all these little fish. He is a good 12. He's 12. So, all right. Oh man, that's something big. Man, yeah, I got something big. Man, this thing's gonna spin me around. Come on. Come on. Jeez. Oh, he's not happy at all. Not happy. Not happy. Not happy. We got here. Oh, it's a good size red. What you talking about? Mm-hmm. Yep. I think that's the first keeper today. Yep. Man. All right. That's good. Excellent. Finally a keeper. Let's see what size we got. It was good. It was hooked though. Right on the corner of the mouth. Check him out. I don't know, he might be under. He's gonna be right at, you know, we'll see. One spot on that side. Let's see how big he is. See if he's a keeper. Oh no, he's like 16, a little over 16. Not even 16 and a half, like 16. Oh well. That's all right. That's all right. All right, this guy's going back. It's your lucky day, buddy. All right, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the day today. Caught multiple species there. The blue got away, but the got the trouts and reds, but no keepers. But definitely had a great time coming out here to the water and fishing on my day off. I just want to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't, please do. You know, like the video, comment below, and until next time.